Hello guys, today I'm going to be making a scratch tutorial. This is for beginner scratches. Scratch is a very easy coding website. Very easy. I'm going to make a game, and the game will be called The Reign of the Tacos. So let's get started. You go to this website, scratch.mit.edu, for education. Then if you want to have a Scratch account, you click on this join Scratch. But if you already have an account and you have to go to your account, when you sign out, you just click sign in. My account is 2D Games. Okay, sign in. So this is my account, 2D Games, cheese. I love cheese. It's yummy. So I'm going to show you my games, what I've made so far. Okay. Games. Oops, wrong spelling, I mean. So this is all my project except for this one. This boy just remixed my game. This one, maybe. Yes, he remixed this one. So this is my game so far. So now I'm going to start creating a game. So when you're already at the Scratch website, you just click on this create button here so that you can create stuff. Then you will be at this page. There's a cat here. I don't know, but maybe the cat is the main character. So if you don't want the cat, you just click on this dustbin button and the cat disappeared. Well, we want to make a tacos game, so we are going to choose a tacos from this. Choose a sprite section. Click on it. A tacos is a food. So we go to this food. Then you can see tacos. A tacos got 2 costumes, a wizard one and a normal one. You just click on it, then you will have your tacos on this. I don't know what is it called, I forgot. So you want the tacos to be smaller. So if you want the tacos to be smaller, you change this size. I'll make it 35. Perfect. So we want to cook the tacos so that the tacos can move random right and left, can move random right and left, but still stays on the same height. So that I can explain easier, I'm going to teach you what is X and what is Y. X is going right or left, Y is going up or down. Okay. For example, now it's X53. So the position is 53. Well, the position is 53, the X position. So if you still don't understand, I'm going to teach you by changing the X position. Let's make it 0. It moves left because it's going smaller. If it go bigger, for example 90, it's going to move right. Negative 120, it's going to move left. So in the middle is 0. So if you go more than 0, that means it's the right side of this screen here. If you go lesser than 0, that means it's the left side. Same as Y, up and down, but the difference is it's only about the up and the down. Y 0 in the middle, then Y negative 90 going down, oops, Y 90 going up. So this is X and Y. So we want to make it code so that it can move random X, random. Then we want the tacos to fall all the way it touch the ground. When it touch the ground, all the way until it touches the ground. Or the one who catch the tacos. So we need the one who catch the tacos first. So, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you what's here. So you just make sure the mouse pointer is here, but don't click on the bear or cat here. You go to this just a sprite, paint. You can paint. You can have a surprise sprite, or you can upload sprite. So I don't want to paint, so I want to have a surprise sprite. See, I got a pencil. Perfect. Well, maybe not a pencil. Nope. I'm looking for good ideas. A butterfly. Nope. An electric guitar. Nope. Oops. So a butterfly again. So I don't care. I'll just choose a butterfly. Maybe not. A bread. That's good. Food plus food. So we want the bread to move right and left so that it can catch the tacos. First we want to code the tacos. There's many sections here. Motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks. Oopsies. So we want this simulation to start when we click on this green flag here. So if we click on this green flag, I want the whole game to start. If you don't know how, it's very simple. You just need to take out one block, and it's this one. Go to the event section, click on it. This, when green flag click, something will happen. For example, when green flag click, go to sounds, where you can play sounds, play sound, pop until down. See? When we click on this green flag, this simulation will begin. We can click on this block too. So we don't make it a pop. So when green flag click, we want a forever. We want to make this happen forever. Maybe not forever. We want this to happen maybe for 1 minute. So if you want to set a timer, well, there's a timer here, but I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use the timer. So I'll use this instead. Make a variable. You click on this make a variable, not make a list. Click on make a variable, then variable name timer. Okay, so when green flag click, I want to set the timer into 60. Then I want to change timer by -1. And wait for 1 second. 1 second. Then I want it to repeat until we got this repeat until here. Something equals to 0, and the something is timer. So let me explain to you this block. So when we click on this green flag, the timer variable here will be 60. Then we want to wait for 1 second, change timer by -1 until timer equals to 0. So that it will be shorter, let's change it to 10 seconds. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, it stopped when it's 0. If we don't have the repeat until here, oops. If you have forever, so it will happen forever. Let's change into 3 so that it will be even faster. 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. It won't stop. So we need this repeat until 0 block. So we want this game to happen for 1 minute. 1 minute is 60 seconds. We want the game to happen in 1 minute, and if you want to make it longer or shorter, it's your choice. So after the time stops, I want you to play a sound. So you just go to the sound section and you can look for a sound. Just click on the sound. Let's make it a game over sound. Game over. There's no game over. A lose sound. Good. Too loud. Good. We want this sound, and we are going to delete this sound code. Then play lose sound until done. So let's change it to 3 again. 3, 2, 1. So this is Scratch. Interesting, eh? Then now we are going to make it 60 again. So now I want the tacos to move right and left, so that I want it to move random right and left. I want it to move random X. So when flag clicked, I want to set X to 0. Then we need another one flag clicked again, and this time is forever. So when I click, something inside this forever block will happen forever until you click on this red stop button here. See, you can see stop, go. So since I clicked forever create a clone of myself. I wanted to create a clone so that the tacos can fall forever until we click here, or we click on this stop all button. So let's add the stop all here. Oh no, let's not make it forever. So we are going to take out this, then take out these two, then right click, duplicate, put it here. But this one we're going to throw it, and this one we put it back here. Let's add the stop all here too. So I want it to repeat until time equals to 0. Create a clone of myself. Then what? Okay, this create a clone of myself will create a clone as you see. Click on this create a clone of myself. There's 2 tacos. Ooh, there's one only now because it created a clone. Let's set X to 0 again. Oops, it's the position of the clone now. Actually no, we're going to set Y to here, then we're going to set X to 0. Create clone of myself. Then we're going to wait for 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. Then I want it to go random position, but the Y will be same, still 150. So we just set X to, let's just make it, set X to pick random. Let's see, -198, -198 to 198, the opposite of -198. So let's see. See, there will be many tacos. When we click on the stop, it will stop. So I want the tacos to go down. So when we create a clone, we want the clone to go down. So we just go to controls, and when I start as a clone, repeat until, then delete this clone. So when I start as a clone, when this taco start as a clone, it will do something until something, then it will delete the clone. So let's put an O here because I want it to touch edge for this bread. So touching edge or touching bread. And I want it to go down by 5. So change Y by -5. As I teach you just now, it will go down by -5. So let's go. See? So it looks awkward because this taco is showing. It looks like this taco is a taco gun. So we want it to hide, then show then hide. So when green flag click, hide, set X to pick random -198 to 198, then show create a clone of myself, then hide, wait for 0.5 seconds. Then let's see. See? Now it doesn't look weird. So since we finished making this taco here, we want to coat this bread. We want to make another variable called tacos. Okay, so let's put it under timer. Then when green flag click, we want to set tacos to 0. So for example, set tacos to 30, but when you click on this green flag, it will be 0. So what I want to do is forever if touching taco change tacos by -1. Oops. Not -1, I mean 1. So let's see. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it got 7 tacos, 0 again. Interesting, eh? We want the bread to move right and left when we click on the right and left arrow. So you just go to flag when green flag clicked. I mean event, not flag. Forever if, and another if under it, because we want to make these two ifs different. If key right arrow clicked, if key left arrow clicked, I want it to change X by 7. Let's not make this one. I'm going to use this move 10 step block. If it's pointing to 90, when you click on move 10 steps, it will go right, move -10 step left. So let's change it, for example, 0. No, that's 1. How to make it 0? Change it to 0, then we want it to move 10 steps. It went up because it's pointing at 0. So let's make it to 90 again. Actually using this is hard, so I rather type. So I want it to go here. I want it to set X to 0. So if key right arrow pressed, then move 7 steps. Oh yes, point in direction 90, then move 7 steps. This one, point in direction -90, then move 7 steps. Move 7 steps. Just see. See, it's moving right and left. Oh yes, this became upside down. So I'm going to change set rotate style left to right. So whenever you click a button, no, not whenever you click a button, whenever you click on this flag, it will set rotation style left and right. It won't turn upside down at all. so it can only turn right and left. Let's see again. See? Not upside down at all. You've almost completed it. Actually, you have completed it. But we just want this backdrop. We want to change it to make it even better. Let's choose. I want to choose blue sky maybe. Perfect. Okay, now you click. You can play your game now. See? The rain of the tacos. Anyway, I can make more even better game than this, you know. I've made I don't know how many games so far. So let's just search for my account. But first, don't forget, change the title, the brain of the tacos. Taco. Then you are going to save it. You just click file, save now, then it will save. You click here to look at your game. Okay, the reign of the tacos. So I got 5 shared projects. Let's just see one of them today. The games, not these guys. To the games. No, this one is the same. To the games, there you are. So let's see this. My first ever game. It's boring, maybe. See, I can make these kind of games. For you it looks cool, but for me it's boring. I call it Super Mario Master. Oops, there's an error. I just restart it. Usually, sometimes there's an error in Scratch, which I don't understand too. Okay, that's all for me today. Bye.